Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Kristen, which is Kawaii Memo Love. I will link all of her information down below. I actually just watched her video last night, so I'm excited. So I have this cute little hostess gift. Here's all of her information, but again, I will link all of her information down below. But look at this cute little box. I have a little resin or acrylic little ghosty on this belly band. It's really cute, really pretty. So we have this cute little box that says trick or treat on here. Inside we have some goodies. I have this little plague mask. Cute. Ooh, look at it. So she's got this mold too. I think I really need this because these are gorgeous. These are really pretty. I love this little moon guy. So many cool pieces. We have a bat, we have a coffin, got another little ghosty. So she's made all these little resin pieces herself. Oh, look at this little black cat. He is precious. These are great. And then there's even some little spider webs in here. We have a little Plague Doctor enamel pen. Look how cute that is. An L. We have some booze. Another pumpkin. Another coffin. I'm going to have to try to utilize these in my Halloween crafting this year. There's a bat. Another bat because there's like two of a lot of these things. So I'm definitely going to have to utilize that. Thank you so much. Those are fun little gifts. All right, so I'm going to open up one of her embellishment boxes. So this swap is a make to receive to. So here is her little, she's got a little squishmallow here. What is this guy? Does it give a name? No? Just, oh, the Macro Reaper. Isn't he cute? He's cute. And here's her box. I watched her, so she's made this sleeve, which is so cool. It's just like a little vinyl sleeve that she's made. But look how cool that is. And it's even got this little pocket on the back so that she could put her shakers in here. How cool is that? Love that. It's a very simple little pocket, but like such a cool idea and design. I really like that. And here's her box. She's got a little ghosty dangle right here. It says Eek. She's created a shaker sleeve with mesh tulle. It's got a sequence in there. So many cool, fun little things. And on the inside, she's decorated the top as well. We have all different kinds of things. So we have pink little gumball beads here. We have pink pom-poms. We have white pom-poms. We have some of these little ghosts that are on her little dangle. These are cool ghosts. We have white and like a silver, white and silver bead here. We have orange beads. We have a pumpkin and then some flat pumpkins. And then we have little shaker bottles. These are cute. So we have 3 little shaker bottles, and then she's got 2 little sequin mixes in here. These are, look how cute these are. They're so little. So cute though. Hopefully I can get these all back in here. And then we have some cute little altered clothespins in here. These are such cute little itty bitty stickers on here. Oh, I need these stickers. They're so, so cute, but there's more of those in there. She's got a little orange ribbon sample in this one. And this one, she's got these cute little pumpkin charms. And we have some bronze charms. So we have this bat and a spider. And we have some more little charms in here. And then there's little resin pieces in here, like little nail art. So we have a little haunted house. There's some spiders. Oh, I want to see the snakes. Come on. Oh, you can come out. There we go. Little snakes. I love snakes. I don't like spiders, but I like snakes. And then we have these cute little foamy stickers, but she's put them on paper to create like, so that you can put them on like with embellishments. It's a clever idea. I don't know if they'll peel off, like, so you could use them as a stick. No, you know, they'll still peel off if you really want to use it as a sticker. But those are really cool. I need these. These are really, really pretty. I like those. I need those. All right, now she's going to have to tell us in the comments where she got all this stuff, because these are really cute. I like those a lot. And then she's got some multiple different types of little jemmies in this one. All different sizes, silvers and blacks. And she's cut them up so they'll fit in the little things. So cute. And then in this last little one, she's got some black and gray little beads. So you can make an awesome little dangle out of here. We have some charms that you can put on the dangle. You can definitely make some embellishments. So, so much fun. I love to take pom-poms and put a head pin through them and use them when I'm making dangles as well. I think it just gives it like texturally a different texture. So I really like using them. If you've ever gotten a dangle from me, most likely they've had some kind of pom-pom on them, because I really like them. So, so cute. Please make sure you give Kristen some crafty love. I love this little sleeve. I'm trying to think if I could get one like this. So clever and so cute. You guys are so creative. And we will see you in this next swap reel. Bye, guys.